Hey guys, it's Valerie. Quick video. I just got my 915 triage in the mail from GP Knives. It was only, let me look at the receipt, 129. So, I'm sorry, 125.49. That's including shipping, and they included this Benchmade sharpener, field sharpener, which is awesome. But the reason why I'm making this video is because I didn't know. Okay, well first let me show you the knife. That's the modified sheep's foot. Well, it's not, I don't know if it's modified. I guess that is a sheep's foot blade. Yeah, it is. Okay, anyway, this is super grippy. It feels like sandpaper. I don't know what it's going to do to my jeans. Whatever, I don't really care. The point of the video is, so, you guys are familiar with this safety hook thing, right? Check this out. Check this out. Freaking, I was gonna say the F word. How cool is that? Look at that. It's cutting paper. What? I thought this was for seatbelts. Look at that. Insane. So cool. Okay. That's all. Just wanted to show you that. So far I really like this knife. It's heavy though. I don't know if I'm gonna carry it. I might just look at it and play with it in my living room. That sounds weird. Okay guys, have a good weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.